Hi guys, today I will tell you about Forex day trading for a month, my journey. Hi there traders and curious minds, welcome back to CryptoSaho. Today we are diving into something I have always been intrigued by but never dared to try. Forex day trading. I will be your genuine peg in this experiment. I'm a complete beginner in this world and I will be documenting my journey over the past month. Let's get started. Preparation. In this first week, I focused on preparation. I had to understand the basics of Forex, the terminology, and the platforms. I spent hours studying the forex market, learning about currency pairs, pips, and candlestick charts. I also chose a reliable trading platform to start with, paper trading. During week 2, I decided to practice without risking any real money through paper trading. I simulated trades with a demo account. It was an eye opener because I realized I had a lot to learn about timing and strategy. Risk management. Risk management became a critical focus in week 3. It's a crucial not to blow up your account in a single trade. I set a strict stop loss and take profit strategy to limit losses and secure profits. This was a game changer for me. Real trading. Finally, in week 4, I dipped my toes into real trading with a small initial investment. I was a bundle of nerves during my first real trade. It's a whole different ballgame when real money is on the line. Challenges faced. Throughout the month I faced numerous challenges. Emotional control was on one of them. It's easy to let fear and greed dictate your decisions. I also struggle with technical analysis, understanding charts and indicators, taking takes time and practice. Results and lessons. At the end of the month, I had mixed results. I had both winning and losing trades. The most valuable lessons I learned were patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Forex day trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Conclusion. So, there you have it, my 1 month journey as a complete beginner in Forex trading. It was an incredible learning experience, and I am planning to continue my journey, albeit with a more cautious approach. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CryptoSaho for more exciting content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. You won't miss any of my future trading adventures. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I will see you in the next video.